Uh, let's continue and let's try to solve problem from shear moment. This problem is from Matalino. So if you want to practice problems, visit lang ninyo ilang site. So first things first, ang first na mong buhaton dyan is to identify the reactions. So reactions ka here and here. Feel yung baga kayo siya. Reactions ka here. So RB, let's call that RB. And let's call this RD. So I'll solve this in easiest way lang and na possible. So first, let's identify the loads. The reactions rather. So first, so we need to summation of moment. So mamili ka either D ba or B ba or D. Let's try lang sa B lang. Moment at B. So I know kabulon na mo saan pag moment, right? Pero at dire atong tamban-tambanon. So here moment ka here. So first let's make an assumption mong sa upward positive and clockwise positive. Tip lang ako sa inyo, if you're confused, you'd use this assumption always. You know man nga wrong yung assumption kay yung answer will be in negative form man. So if in negative form yung answer, then your assumption is wrong. So change lang sa assumption nimo and wala din to siya. So first, dito sugod sa A. So 30 yung line moment arm niya is 3. So the 30 will rotate daw at B. So it will rotate at B. So it's in counterclockwise. So clockwise positive. So therefore negative siya is counterclockwise man. Negative 30 times the moment arm, which is perpendicular to 30, is 1. So 1 meter. And next is 50. So muna yung moment arm and 50k and will rotate here at B. Since B man ta nag moment, so it will rotate at that direction. So that is positive. So positive 50 times 3. So 3. And next, ang mag-rotate is this, the RD. Kini siya. So it will rotate at B lang gyapon. So RD will rotate at here. So it is in counterclockwise direction. So it is negative RD times the moment arm, which is 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, it's the length man from D to B. So 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So solve RD is equals to you can solve sa inyong calculators para maybe basin mali akong kan 50 times 3 minus x times 5 0. It's 24. So RD is 24. So next is summation of forces. Since RB na lang kulang and given tanan forces atong mga vertical forces, so summation of forces lang atong gamiton. Pwede ta mag summation of moment, pero para sa easiest way lang, summation of forces vertical ta. So which is not 0. Atong assumption is positive, upward positive. So 30 is in downward position, so it's negative 30. RB is in upward position, so it's positive RB. And minus 50 plus 24. So RB is equals to negative 30 plus x minus 50 plus 24 is equals to 0. I know, balo naman mo mag-shift solve kay master na ninyo na. It's 56. Kn 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 Kn. So it's 56 ni siya, 56 Kn. So muna itong first step guys, muna itong first step yun. Reaction. First step is reaction. So second, let's draw one. The what do you call that? FBD. The FBD, the free body diagram. FBD. So para atong diagram is dali lang. So here na 30. So dili man makagi atong pen. 30 Kn here, 30, and there is RB ka, RB, which is 56, which is 1 meter. Tapos na ay 50 Kn, 50 Kn diri. Tapos ang distance from here is, we know kung ano siya, 3 meters. Ay, and there is 24. If master na gid mo guys, pwede na gid dili mo mag FBD. Like sa drawing lang itself ninyo mag-draw mo line. Pero kani for the sake of learning, ato lang ikuan apil lang FBD. So there is 2 meters. So here, let's draw line for shear. Shear ni dire, di ba A dire, B, C, D. Important ng letters guys. Kaya mag-draw na mo sa kuan. So there is C and there is D. Magkulang atong linya ba? Sige lang. So dili lang atong kuan. For shear lang, shear. Let's try this shear. Dire butang tawag solving yapon. Oops. Dire butang tawag solving for shear. So kini dire na ko explain jud dang easiest jud na ko na sa para dali na to masabdan. So shear, or I call it V para dili ko malibog kay vertical man. So VA from left, I call that VA from left. If mag-draw ka sa og shear moment diagram, always look at your left. Look always at your left. Di ba? Diri A man lang diri. A. So left aning A, the left aning A. Look here. If naabay vertical forces. Ay vertical forces, di ba wala? So that's 0. So VA again. So look here, like there mismo nga kuan, like dira mismo. Look at that. So now ask yourself then if there is force ba acting. So naa, which is 30. Pero downward position. Unsa atong assumption? Upward positive. Guys, if your assumption sa reaction must be same as assumption nimo sa imong shear. So here it's negative 30. Negative 30. So okay na. So draw ta, let's draw. So VA is 0, di ba? So nara manang VA 0 first. Next is 30 downward. Your VA is 30. So here 30, which is negative 30. Then there di ba syempre mag-draw man ka. So balik ta sa atong kuan first lesson. Di ba point load, nata sa point load, and we're at shear. So ang shear na to is kana like straight line lang. Straight lang here. Here. So value here is 30 na yapon, 30. Negative 30. Why straight line man? Notice nimo di here sa between A and B, between A and B, walay other forces. Walay other forces. So ang imo shear chill lang siya magkuhan, mag transfer from A to B. So continue. So VB. So ano VB. So look sa imong left, na kay value from left, di ba? Which is 30. Value from left, which is 30. Which is kinim na. Here na siya. Tapos, VB again. Kani, for the sake of learning na ni. And later on, itudlan ako sa inyo. So, ang easiest way yun na pag-solve yun. Pwede na mo mag-solve og inani. So, again, kani VB from left na, which is 30 is kini. And VB sa in that position yun, which is kini. Ask yourself then, is there another what do you call that? Another forces? So meron 56. So negative 30, 56 is in upward position man. So plus 56. Ang katanong mo, sir, nga no, why minus negative 30 plus 56? You know, here, your line must start here. Sa B section, your line must start here. So from here, you go upward. From here, you go upward up to 56. So solve mo na, which is negative 30 plus 56. So it's 26. And 26. 26. 26 yan. So angat pa. So next so VCL. So VC from left. So identify mo, focus ka here, look at here and sa left niya. So you'll see man the forces from left, di ba? Which is negative 30 and 56. And we know negative 30 and 56. 26 ni. we know man na negative 30, di ba? Focus here from left sa C. We know man nga ang left sa C is negative 30 and 56. And we know ang ilang sum is 26. So this is 26. Right? Look, or you can rewrite it again na VCL negative 30 plus 56. So your answer is 26 lang yapon. Right? So nada value. So VC from that position here. Muna ni VC diri. So i-add mo. So 26 let's draw lang muna draw lang natin ito para dili ko siya confusing. So negative 26 positive 26. So from 26 daw up to C na 26 yapon ang value. So 26. Why 26 man? Di ba you see from B to C, there's no load to act here to act here. Di ba? No load man here. So the shear force from B ug sa C is similar lang. And next is VC. At this point, diri lang ka magkuan look. Another color to. Diri ka maglook ko kana mo look. VC. So, pila ka book shear forces? Di ba dalawa? Kini 26 and kaning 50. So, which is 50 is in negative position. So, okay, downward. So, it's negative 50 plus 26. Pila man? Negative 50 plus 26. It's negative 24. 26 daw. Negative 24. So, from here daw, ang technique here is from here daw 26 na merong 50 natutulak sa 26 pababa. So from 26 daw tutulak yan ng 50 na force, which is equivalent to negative 24 kay negative 50 man. So here, okay, so negative 24 yan, negative 24. So next, let's go to VD equals to VDL yan, VDL. So let's focus ta sa D. So D from the left, forces, look for the forces. So di ba, it's 30, 56 and 50. And if you add that, this is negative 30, positive 56 and negative 50, you'll come up from the answer not negative 24, which is here lang ito lang, negative 24. Uy, balik. So let's it's negative 30 plus 56. Uy, plus 56 minus 50. Solve that. Negative 30 plus 56 minus 50. Oh, di ba? Negative 24. Negative 24. So, eraser. Negative 24. So VD from left is negative 24. So diri, look, oh, from here to here. Check. So it's negative 24. So from negative 24 then, so you look, focus here, and here. So yeah, it's BD. It's negative 24 plus 24. So 0. And you'll know the answer, you're in the right way if you'll start from 0 and end up with 0, or else ikaw ang ma-0. So here are diagrams sa share. Nataas-taas siya, no? Kay it's thorough man gyud. Sa next video ato na explain din lang how ang easiest way yun na to identify and solve. Like calculator, ulan lang ganito. Di mo na ito kailangan ng solving. So let's solve for the moment. So dahil lang tong moment. Let's write this. Moment is equals to area. Yan lang. What does it mean? So ito area 1, area 2, area 3. Okay? So moment from left daw is 0. From here to here, di ba walang forces? So 0 yan. I mean walang moment. Di ba you'll see walang moment dito. So that's 0. And next is area 1. Area 1 is in negative. Muna itong axis ha. Yan natin yung axis. Ito negative and there is positive. So it's negative 30. Negative 30. Ay! There. Area 1 is negative 30 times 1. Why? Length, oh? Negative 30 times 1. Area sa square, rectangle, rectangle. Is negative 30. Negative 30. So, how to graph it? Or baka dito ka pupunta? No. That's wrong. So, according sa atong diagram, moment. Look. Yan. So, basically, it's from A to B lang. From A to B, B to C, C to D, ganyan lang. Here is, ang answer is negative 30. So, there. Negative 30. So, area 2. Solve itong area 2. It's kanila itong isolve. It's not 26 ha. Baka solve niyo yan 3 times 26. Sakto lagi 26 mo. Sakto 26 to 26. It's 31. 26 yan. So 26 times 3. So 26 times 3. 6 times 3 is 78. 78. So from B daw, from B to C is 78, which is positive. So basically diri na. And 78. Next, sa aning erase. The next is area 3. area 3, which is 24 times 2. 24 times 2, which is that's negative 24. So it's 24 times 2, 48. Uy, it's wrong. Ito ba yan? Tuloy. Negative. Wait lang ah. Something's not right there yun. (26) times 3. Area. Ay, sayop. It's not 78. Dire. It's di na siya 70. It's not 78. It's not 78 dire. It's not 78. Okay, it's area 1. It's area 1. So, moment mo ni. Negative area 1 plus area 2 minus area 3. That's the formula. So, the area 2 naman ta. So, it's 70. It's negative 30 plus 78 plus 78. So, it's 48. So, 48 here. So, there minus area 1. It's 78. So, there it's 48 na siya. 48. So, area 1 minus plus area 2 minus A3. It's 48. It's 0, which is kini is 48 to. And it's 48 then. So it's 0. So 0. So basically, this is your diagram. And your max moment is 78. So that is it. About 30 minutes po do. Next video, let's solve lang same problem lang. Pero the easiest way lang way atong buhaton.